Hey, so today we're going to talk to you about how to plant an annual flower pot. So there's three theories that you want to have with an annual flower pot. We want to have the fill feature, which in the middle will have some plants that fill in the pot. We want to have a thrill feature, which means there's something in the middle that catches your eye, like our fountain grass. In this case, we got a dragonweed begonia. And then the other is we want to have something that falls out of the pot, so to fill the pot or to flow out of the pot. So we've got a couple of different things today. In this case, we have some wave petunias here, so we're going to put those in. So again, what we want to do is we want to keep that in mind. We also need to know what our situation for the plants are. Is it full sun? Is it shade? Those type of features as well. And so in this case, what we've done is we've taken from the top view, we have one center plant, and then what we've done is we have three plants. So we've created a triangle. And then with these creeping Jenny, what we're going to do is we're also going to create a triangle. So we'll put one here, we'll put one somewhat over here, and again we'll put another one over here. And so what it does is it will create a triangle, and as these plants bloom and fill out, they're going to hang down. And then in the middle we have the plants that are going to have that, and then at the top the dragonweed begonia is going to get up and give some height and some color. So then we have a planter pot that has flowers in it from here to here and not just right in the pot. And so once we plant all these, this here is a mounding annual as well. And so once we plant all these plants in here and we get everything done, then we'll come back and we'll use a pine bark mini nuggets to go over the top to hold the moisture down, water the plants, and then all we have to do is wait and enjoy.